Hi, everybody. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's right. Welcome to Character Modeling. We're at the end of week 10, getting to week 11, and really getting close to those animations. So I'm really excited to check out those animations for the end of this week and really take a look at your walk cycles and go from there. So, yeah, a lot of good stuff. So I'm really excited. So, yeah, we're at the end. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Also, if you're missing any assignments or anything, contact me, please. Or anything that's close to it, or if you need any help, I'm always here for you. So that's really the great thing. Other than that, that's all I got. I just want to remind everybody, so you do have your discussions due tonight, and then tomorrow is your course projects. Both you're turning in the skinning and then actually turning in your walk cycle. That's pretty much closely done. And then the beginning of your second animation. That's really what custom animation. That's really what I want to see. But other than that, that's all I got. So and then we get into last week, and then keep in mind that the end of the class is on Friday, not Sunday. So you need to make sure you have all your work in by Friday next week. So that's a good thing. I'll re-announce it on the next announcement next week and go from there. And then, all right, my friends, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. And I'll see everybody on Monday. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.